While holding the title of the most popular mic under budget in 2021, Tonor TC30 still appears to be one of the top picks for streamers who are looking for a good quality microphone that scales with quality and affordability. With that in mind, on the review table today, we have the Tonor TC30, and we'll be doing an in-depth hands-on review to let you know if you should still rely on Tonor or move on to something different. So, without further ado, let's begin. Opening the box, as you can see, we are immediately greeted with the user manual and a support card that will give us a handful of benefits like an extended warranty and exclusive discounts. Pushing these aside, we can see the microphone itself lying down comfortably, connected to the shock mount and the foldable tripod. Let's bring them out. The whole setup has a very sturdy and rigid build to it and looks heavy, but feels relatively light on our hands. The tripod appears to be made out of metal, while the rest is plastic? High quality plastic, yes. To be quite honest, we were expecting a lot less from this, so the build quality gets bonus points from us. The pop filter comes with yet another all-metal handle that attaches right to the shock mount, just like this. Snap it in and you're good to go. And finally, you'll get your surprisingly long USB Type-C to USB A 2.0 cable for connecting your microphone with your computer. Speaking of connectivity, the microphone doesn't only look compact and easy to use, but it actually features plug and play, meaning no hassle regarding additional drivers or something like that. After using it, the first thing we've noticed about the Tonor TC30 is how sensitive this thing is. Being this sensitive, you won't have to talk super loud or lean in an uncomfortable manner to make this microphone pick up your voice. And thanks to the cardioid polar pattern, the microphone, if pointed properly, will easily pick up the sound you want it to pick up, be that your voice or any instrument. Combine that with the shock mount and tripod and you get an incredible amount of stability and mitigate structure-borne noise, which could otherwise ruin your recording. So this is an official audio test of Tonor TC30. As you can already hear, the sound is crisp, clear, vibrant, and without any distortion. The audio you're hearing right now is completely unscripted, and we're just here talking about random things so you have a basic idea on how the Tonor TC30 sounds. So that's about it. As you can already tell, these features make the Tonor TC30 a very good microphone for aspiring streamers who want a good quality microphone while not going overboard with the budget. The build quality with the shock mount and tripod will mitigate most vibrations you'll be likely facing during your streams and bless your audience with the sweet sound of your voice and nothing else. If you prefer a different way of using the microphone, say without the tripod, you can take the tripod off and attach the mic and the shock mount to your preferred boom arm, which will give you more wiggling room and provide an extra layer of protection while enhancing clarity. So at the end of the day, it all comes to one burning question. Is the Tonor TC30 worth it in 2022? The short and the most direct answer is yes. Tonor TC30 sets a new standard in the world of budget microphones, and it does so while providing pretty decent performance for its price. As for now, if you're new to the world of streaming and are looking for a dedicated microphone that's easy to use, light on the budget, and will act as an overall entry-level microphone, Tonor TC30 ticks all the right boxes and is highly recommended by us. What do you think? Do let us know in the comment section below, and as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.